Morning. So I'm headed to the office now, and then this evening I'm going to a State of the City address with the mayor. Should be pretty cool, but it's gonna be a long day. So last night was my kind of first attempt at daily vlogging. I gotta say, it felt really good this morning when I hit upload. I am a little sleep deprived, but I was still able to hit the gym. So overall, I feel like the day was a success. Morning, Ray.
Morning.
How are you?
All right.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I just left the office, headed home. I think I'm just gonna take it easy tonight. I've decided not to go to the State of the City address with the mayor tonight. Hi, Reg. You wanna watch a movie? Yeah, me too. Hey, can I get a chicken pho to go? That'll do it.
Perfect. Just give us about 15. We'll have that, okay?
While I wait for my takeout, I thought I would open my swag bag from last night and see what I got. Ooh, Dior. I think this is for makeup, but this would be great for traveling. Thanks, Dior. We have a jeans pocket. That can go away. I don't know what I'll do with a pocket, but this is a gift certificate for a mini facial, a light makeup application, probably won't use that, or a deluxe sample. I don't know what a deluxe sample is. I doubt it's for mini cheeseburgers. Feels so fancy. I don't know what I'll use this for, but definitely keeping this. A triple volume plumping lash primer. If you need one of these, let me know. I've got one extra. Wait, I might have two. No, this is mascara professional volume. If you need one of these, shoot me a text and I'll mail it to you. Well, don't text me because you probably don't have my number. Write a comment below and I will mail you a Dior plumping lash primer or mascara professional. Also Dior. Holla! Oh, it comes in a little... The bag seems a little unnecessary if I'm honest. A lip maximizer. Collagen Active. I'm assuming it's pronounced Active because it just seems fancy. I will put this in an envelope and mail it to you if you want it. Oh! This is something for me! Holla! Dior cologne. That smells nice. Kind of sprayed it in my mouth. But this, I'm keeping. Perfume for women. So all my lady fans out there, if you want this, just let me know. If you work with me or live in Kansas City, hit me up and I'll just give it to you because then I don't have to. And one more. This is another perfume. So let me know if you want these. I don't think I really need this. Looks like that's it. Overall, pretty good haul. Sometimes I feel like all I do is push crosswalk buttons. I'm pretty lucky. My favorite restaurant to eat at is right across the street from my apartment. Right here's my favorite restaurant, and there's my apartment. Thank you. I eat here way too much, but it's just so convenient. This is the only bowl big enough to hold on my pho. Ugh, you wanna watch a movie?